Here I have Nokia T10, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool with which you can eject a SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to just put it inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. Now you can, with some effort, eject it with your bare hands. So here you put your SD card and then right back into the device. So as you can see, notification appeared like SD card, tap to setup, which indicates that SD card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.